Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. My name is LP's Music. I've been requested to do a quick tutorial of the installation of the TouchDaw. It's a small app that you install on your Android phone for you to be able to control Cubase. So the very first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your phone and your PC are connected to the same network. So I have done that. The second thing that you want to do is to open the search engine. All right. Under the search engine, you type in the word TouchDaw. This is how it's spelled. You will get a couple of results. You click specifically on this one. It's the xmmc.de. Alright, so you click on the TouchDaw and you click on Manual, and it will lead you to this page, and you click on Quick Start. So you do have a choice between installing this piece of software and this piece of software. Last time I tried to use this one, it didn't work out for me, so I resorted to using this one, which is the Mnet/MIDI Hub. Alright, on the instruction, I think it's instruction number 2, you click on it. It's going to lead you to this page. You click on Windows for the download of the software. It's called Mnet. So you're going to save it under downloads or whatever that you want to use. Here it is. After you download it, advisably, you want to extract the folder first before you do the installation. After you do that, you're going to get a folder next to this one, and then you double click on it and you'll get the installer. Alright, you double click on the installer and it's going to install. Please make sure that your phone and your PC are connected to the same network. So I have done that. That is something that you do before you start with the installation. Make sure that your phone and your PC are connected to one network, to the same network. Alright, you've installed this piece of software. The next thing that you want to do is to go to your phone. So let's go to the phone. So here's the live recording of my phone. In this case, I'm using Android. And by the way, I think it's important that we mention this. I'm using Android. I'm using a Samsung Z Fold, and I'm using Windows 11 on my PC. All right, so you double click on Play Store. It will lead you to the Play Store, and then you search for TouchDaw. All right, so I'm going to type. Fortunately, I have the history of it being typed here. So I'm going to click on it. Just look for TouchDaw, and this is the logo thereof. In my case, it would open because I've already installed it. In your case, it would install. You click on it. It will open like this, but it will show NC here because it's not connected. I assume NC stands for not connected. You open up Cubase and you go to Studio. Thereafter, Studio Setup. Okay, I had already set it up, but I'm going to delete this and reinstall it. Okay, I'm going to delete this and reinstall it. So I have a new one that is not used. Make sure that you select Make a Control. You then go here. You go to Windows MIDI. If you're using Windows 11, it should appear like this. And then you select MIDI Hub Port 1. You go to MIDI Output. Then you select MIDI Port 1 as well. You click on OK. So there should be somewhat a connection. Just to make sure that everything works well, you still go to Studio Setup and then you click on MIDI Port Setup. Then it should appear here. You ensure that it's active, then you click on OK. So you go back to your cell phone and you will not get anything yet here because you have not set up the app properly on the cell phone. So you double click on this and it will open up this page, and you go to Setup and you go to MIDI ports. You select this and it's going to open this. Make sure the two are ticked. And just so that you know, Hope PC is the name of my PC. So just make sure that your PC appears here. The name of your PC should appear here. So I'm going to click on OK. That's not all. You double click on this. Same thing happens. Make sure that you click on these two. The name of your PC should appear here. Okay. Then you go back. Now you should see your tracks on Cubase. As you can see, I have it open here. Here's the velvet. I'm going to show you that when I change the volume of the velvet, it's going to change on Cubase. There it is, there it is. When I mute it, it mutes. When I solo it, it solos. And when I pan it, it does respond. There are other functionalities that I would like to explain. For example, how you select a channel takes a bit of understanding. There is a view that has an E here, E for edit. You click on it, it's going to select the channel that you want to record on. And by the way, when I use the big screen of my Z Fold, everything appears. I don't have to scroll to the next page except for channels. I hope this helps you. If you reached this far, you would have achieved what I was trying to teach on this tutorial. Thank you. Have a good night.